Hello and welcome to the UK Commercial Group demonstration for kitchen extraction cleaning. First of all, we will remove the filters from the housing inside the hood. These can then be put in a chemical bath and left to soak. We then want to remove any areas of built-up grease within the hood with a scraper. This will make it easier when applying your chemical. You should now apply a chemical degreaser and agitate the chemical into the remaining grease using a light abrasive pad, being careful not to cause any scratches when doing this. Once this is done, leave some time for the chemical to do its job and react. Using a cloth or again a light scour, remove the rest of the chemical and excess grease, and again make sure not to cause any scratches. Use the steps previously shown to clean the rest of the inside of the extraction hood. Any equipment or chemical shown in the video today can be purchased online at www.ukcommercialgroup.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 0800 032 9533. Once you have dried it, do a visual check inside the hood to make sure no grease is left. You can also do any pictures you might need for your report at this point. You now need to neutralise the chemical. The first option is to use a steamer, as shown in the video. The second option is to use a neutral pH chemical. These all again can be bought online at www.ukcommercialgroup.co.uk or calling our office. You then need to wipe and dry inside the hood, making sure to get into all of the corners. Now move to the outside of the hood and follow all of the previous steps shown to clean this. Once it's all clean, use a stainless steel polish to polish up any visible areas. Now you need to move on to the ductwork. Locate any access panels and then, once inside, remove any build-up areas of grease from inside the ductwork with a scraper, like you did inside the extraction hood. Once that is done, apply your chemical solution inside and again agitate into any remaining grease. Once the chemical has done its job, wipe the area dry and make sure to get into all the corners. It's important to leave the ductwork as dry as possible so that you don't have any leaks. Once you're happy that it's nice and dry, seal the panels back up again, making sure that they have a tight fit. Now we're going to move on to the fan. If it can't be removed, scrape off any large deposits of grease in place. Then, apply your chemical solution and agitate into all areas. You can use a pad again if you want to get into the tight places. Once the chemical has done its job, wipe the area dry and clean. Make sure that once you've completed it, the fan spins and works again. If you can remove the fan to clean it, it'll give you more space and better access. Just follow the previous steps to do this. You then want to clean the fittings and the surrounding area. Again, once you've done the clean, make sure that the fan goes back together and that everything's working before you leave site. Now we're going to go back to the filters and remove them from the chemical bath, making sure to drain them above the water. You may need to wipe off any excess dirt and grease. Sometimes a power washer can help with this. Then neutralise with either steam or a pH neutral chemical. Once you've done that, clean and dry the filters, and finally put them back into the housing within the hood. You now have a clean and sanitised extraction system. For further details on any of our training courses or the equipment that's been shown in the video today, go to www.ukcommercialgroup.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 0800 032 9533.